So this is a very big question. So it's given that it takes 10 men and 20 women to complete a work in 48 days. After first day, after first day, a woman is replaced by a man, and it took them another 45 days to complete. If 10 men and 20 women had worked for the on the same thing for 2 days, and then two women replaced by two men, how many days would it take to finish? Approximate answer we need to calculate. Okay, so we'll solve this by, it's given that 10 men plus 20 women can complete a work in 48 days. That is, they work for 48 days and they complete the total work. Now it is given that after the first day, a woman is replaced by a man. Okay, that is if 10 men and 20 women have worked for 1 day, and then uh, how many women were there? 20. One woman is replaced, that is now there are 19 women, and one man is added, so there are 11 men. Therefore now 11 men plus 19 women, they have worked for how many days? Another 45 days. Okay, and they have completed the work. Now we have two equations, this is 1 and this is 2. We can equate the both the equations. First we'll solve this. 10m plus 11m into 45, this we need to solve. We can equate both the equations. First of all, we'll multiply. The first equation would be 480m plus 20 into 40, that is 960 women. This is the first equation. Now we'll solve this. 11 into 45, that's 450 plus 495 plus 10, that is 505m plus 19 into 45, that is 45 into 20, 900 minus 45, that's 855. 855 plus 20, that is 875. 875 w. So we can equate both the equations. Now we'll equate this. This comes out to be 480 m plus 960 w women is equals to 505 m plus 875 w. This gets subtracted, we are left with 25 m is equals to, and this gets subtracted, we are left with 2960, that is 85 women. Oh yes, we are left with 85. Am I wrong? This gets subtracted, 25 and 25 and 60. Yes, we are right, 85. So we can get the ratio of m, w and m, that is w upon m is 25 upon 85, or if we cancel out, this is 5 5 is 25 and 5 17 is 85. So w is 5 and m is 17. Now what do we need to calculate? If 10 men, first, now from here we can calculate the total work. Now I'll rub this, as we know the value of w and m. First of all, we'll write the value of w. W is 5 and m is 17. I'll erase now because I need to solve this further. I'll not erase the first equation because we'll use that equation to find the total work to solve the question further. Okay. Now first of all, let me calculate the total work. What was the total work? 10 into m, that is 10 into 17, 170. Okay, plus 20 into w, did 20 into 500 and into 48. This becomes 270 into 48. 270 into 48, this would come out to be 40 into 20, 96 0 0, and 14 into 7 was 20. What would this come out to be? Wait, let me calculate. 3760. Yes, this would come out to be 3760. Yes, so the total work would be 9 3 12 12 13 9 3 12 13 13 360. This is the total work, I guess, if I'm right, my calculation is right. So the total work is 13,360, and now we need to calculate. So we get the total work. We need to calculate if 10 men and 20 women had worked on the same thing for 2 days. Okay, they have worked for 2 days, and then two women are replaced by two men. How many days would it take to finish the prox work? What is the formula for calculating work is equals to efficiency into time? We need to calculate time, that is work upon efficiency. So what would be the efficiency? First of all, if 10 men and 20 women had worked on the same thing for 2 days. That is 10 men and 20 women for 2 days. So 10 men, that is what is the efficiency of men? 17, that becomes 170, and 20 in W, that is 100. Oh, okay, into 2. 170, that is 270 into 2, that is 540. They have completed 540 units of work in 2 days. Okay. So we had already solved the question till here, that in 2 days the 10 men and 20 women had completed 540 units. So the total work was 13,360 units, but they had completed 540 units. So we'll subtract and we'll get the remaining work. That would come out to be 12720. This would be the remaining work. Now, how much time would they take? So you need to calculate that there were 10 men, 2 women will be replaced now, so the men would become 12 men, and 20 women would become 18 women. So we'll calculate the efficiency, that is 12 into what would be the men, 17 plus 18 into 5. So we'll get 12 into 17, that is 204, plus 18 into 5, that is 90. So the efficiency for a day would be 294. So we know that the work is equals to efficiency into time. We need to calculate the time, that is work divided by efficiency. So the leftover work is 12720, and the efficiency of a day is 294. When you divide this, you will get something as 43.26, and this goes on. But we need to find till the approx number of days. How many extra days would it take to complete the, if we need to calculate the how many days would it take, so 43 days plus these 2 days, that is 45 days, and if only we need to calculate the extra days after 2 days, that would be 43 days. So this was in, I would say this is an easy question for the student who has all the concepts clear. So watch the video again if you don't get, and if you want that I should explain the concept of time and work, then I'll upload a video. Just comment. And if you like the video, please comment and like, as this motivates me to make more videos. Thank you.